Alright, hey guys, what's up YouTube? So today my Korean Hail Blizzard box finally came in. Sorry, I have to center this. And they gave me this free pack of Dark Rush with it. It's BW number 4. So let's open this. So instead of mutilating the pack by trying to open it, no, there's no cards there. Right. Sorry, I'm new to opening these foreign packs. But rather than using this, because this takes forever, you open it by the bottom or this tab right there. So, and you can just open it. So we have a Plusle, whoopsies, Combuskin, Clang, Umbreon, and an Aerodactyl. So that's nice. And this box here, right? No, that's gonna just mutilate that. Sorry, need to go get a handy dandy little itty bitty knife from a multi-tool. I am sorry that I wasn't prepared to deal with this. Right. Whoopsies. There we go. And I'm going to just open as many packs as I can out of the 30. And there are a lot in there, trust me. So, let's do 6. So, let's start opening. These all have the same pack art, so let's have fun. I'm trying to damage the packs as little as I can. Disregard my dog in the background. Alright, we have Pt.1, Cubchoo, Lampent, and a Raichu, sorry, and a Beartic. Right. Not used to opening this many packs since my Plasma Blast, which booster boxes I did not open on YouTube. Right? Riolu. Sorry about my dog in the background. Jigglypuff. Fungus. Sawsbuck. And an Unpheasant. Yeah, that seems really clunky. I will hopefully get it worked out in the next video. We have a Wigglytuff, Sneasel, Hippopotas, bleh. We have a Hippowdon, and a double colorless energy. It's very nice. And the best thing about Hippowdon is the attack in the English version, Sand Bazooka. Yeah. Alright, so we have a Vanillish, Petalil, Elgyem, a Moongus, and a Lucario. So nothing good so far, which it's okay since, you know, it's a lot of good ones have been taken, introduced, and all that, so meh. We have a Tranquil, Kirlia, Deerwing, Cryogonal, and a Silent. Stay there, packs. Okay, you cards, stay there. Alright. We have Pansage, Poniard, Litwick, Pokemon Center, and Simisage. That is adorable. Alright, so trying to get through this as fast as I can to get the packs. Dog, get out! No, I don't need you right now. So we have Darumaka, Sneasel, Vanillite, Unpheasant. Oh yes, a Regigigas EX. Not the full art version like I was hoping, but it's an EX nonetheless. So that goes in a good sleeve. And that is nice. So next pack. I keep a lot of pack arts, by the way. Okay, we have Pt.1, Elgem, Riolu, Bronzong, and a Cryogonal. I think it's just hilarious what's going on in the background, because my dog is, like, restless. In case you hasn't seen my sister. So, right, Jigglypuff, Fungus, Growlithe, that is cute, Weavile, and a BM. Alright, I think this is going to be the last pack for the video. And, yeah. So we have Hippopotas, I don't know why I say that weird, Fungus, Wigglytuff, Lilligant, and another double colorless energy. So overall, decent pulls, really like this. And yes, the Regigigas EX was worth it. 2 double colorless energies. Pokemon Center, Silent, kind of useless, but hey, it's pretty cool. And I will see you guys for the next video.